Well, we're starting a new project today. I've got all this logs, which will be lumber left over from the house build. And this site right behind me is where we're going to put the temporary wood mill shed at, so I can get the wood mill in here and actually mill up all these trees. Get started on that. At some point today, I managed to throw the belt off of my fan, which cools the radiator, which in turn cools the coolant, which in turn cools the engine. So I just overheated the tractor, which kind of stinks, and I gotta go put the belt back on. And the reality is I probably need to get a new belt. I suspect there's some kind of damage or wear to it, but everything's so overheated right now I can't really get in there to take a look. So I'm pretty much done for the day. Well, it's about 3.5 months since we started making this clearing behind me for the shed, which will eventually house a tractor. Current plan is to get the shed built so I can put the wood mill in there so we can mill lumber, but because of the layout of the property and just not a lot of extra dirt anywhere, we are actually bringing in 4 dump truck loads of dirt right now. We've made it access, so they're going to back in here and dump the dirt. I'll get it all smoothed out and we'll get the mill put in place and start milling some lumber. Well, this is going to wrap this one up. We took down the tree, got the brush cleared out of here. We ended up with a bigger hole back here than I anticipated, so we needed to bring in some fill dirt. So we got that all taken care of. I ended up putting in an access road so we didn't have to drive dump trucks over the concrete pad for the front of the house. So this was a fun one, lots of tractor work, not a lot of labor, which is awesome, but it's ready to roll. So it's ready to bring the mill over here and start milling lumber for the shed that will eventually be here, and then for other projects down the road. So there's many more videos to come. So check out the next video in this series, which will be milling wood. So I'm gonna go get the wood mill and get it put over here. But overall, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a fun one for me. And until next time, thanks for watching.